What's up? We made an intro today. And,
you making a video? Yeah,
we got this necklace.
Oh yeah,
these necklaces at the mall.
They're like kind of fidget toys too.
Yeah.
And we also got a pug speaker.
Yeah, I got this pug speaker. It's I just have to get it.
I also we both spent like a lot of money. How much?
I think like
$50. $55 just on that. We spent a lot.
And this was $19 though.
Yeah, so
I mean $20. It was
$20.
It's really cool and all, but it works.
And it works.
We just haven't used it yet. Oh, we got these little like squishy paws.
Yeah,
I call mine Logan Paul and he calls his Jake Paul.
No, I call mine Little Paul.
Oh yeah.
And I have the exact same one, but
and we just
like
squish
stretch balls.
Yeah, they're really squishy and stuff.
I don't know what we're doing today.
What are our lives?
We couldn't make a 3 a.m. video because my mom took away his iPhone, my iPad. I don't even know where my iPad is, but yeah. So we couldn't make a 3 a.m. video. Sorry about that, but
yeah,
right.
Maybe next time.
Maybe next time, guys. Hopefully, we're going to his grandparents, right? Making a tiny bit.
Maybe we'll make a video there.
We'll probably make a video there. So
it's like really nice.
Yeah,
like,
it's really nice.
There's a lot of space to get some acreage.
Yeah, because
I don't really like normal houses. I'd rather like have an acreage.
Yeah, we used to have like a huge acreage, and it was really nice. Remember?
Yeah.
Yeah, but then we moved to Sherwood Park.
Yeah. I don't know. Just a moment of silence for me.
Yeah, hopefully this video uploads because we made like one video and it didn't upload because I don't know, it just stopped at 95%.
Yeah, so we can't we're not uploading. Like our videos aren't uploading. Like we get like so mad and stuff. Even like the tiniest ones.
But we
made an intro.
Like 2 hours.
We made like an intro.
Yeah, if you want to see that, you could, but we can't
No, you can't see it.
You can't. Well, we made we just set our intro on one of our videos that we made. Remember?
But we didn't get a post on YouTube or anything. We just made one.
Look at how weird my video looks when I do that. It's like I don't know. Yeah, and
I'm weird.
We made an intro. It's so good. It's
actually like heavy for a bowl.
I know it's heavy for a bowl.
I don't know. Maybe we'll maybe we can go in the garage and we can do like this hockey game thing.
Yeah, we did that last night.
Yeah, it was so fun. But
he was trying to kill Hudson was trying to kill me, and I was trying to kill Hudson with the ball.
No, that's not what we were doing. We got the rally ball.
We played hockey games and passed it to each other, and then we tried to get it in trick shots and stuff like that.
Get the keys.
Oh, Hudson,
I'll stay out here and then you get the keys.
Okay, it's not even showing your face.
Yes, it is. Okay, so the keys are... Ryan has to get the keys, and she's looking for them by being lit.
Yeah, here's the keys, guys. Don't show them which corner it is.
Okay, why? Why am I weird? Okay, doesn't even really matter.
Yeah, because then they come to our house to steal everything. And then we have the keys. Let's see, whoa. Still.
Okay, I'm using like the wrong hand, but I'm still so good at it.
But
We're gonna set up the camera, maybe like right here or something.
We might have to cut something over actually, because it might. I've been walking for 7 years, so.
I just need to keep it like that somehow. Something right
No, I think I know what to do. No, it needs to be like down a bit more.
There. No, that's good.
Exactly that. Then, oh yeah, you can see. Wait, look on there, Hudson. See if you can see me like the ball on the back garage door.
There you go. I'm using the wrong hand. I'm using this stick because we're at his house.
It's not the video. It's passing it off.
Yeah. Okay, guys, I'm gonna try and wait.
Oh guys, maybe I should film this. Maybe I should like film this. It's like not
It
like
might
that.
take a while,
But
oh,
why is doing this?
okay. Please go. Okay, luck shot. Oh, that was so close.
Yo, that was so hard to film. I kind of got it a bit. It's really hard.
That like went inside the bucket and bounced out. I was playing with the wrong hand, so. It's so hard playing with the wrong hand. Like,
Oh.
if you try it,
What?
you guys will fail too. Probably. Unless you're like professional.
Professional, what you guys are, we know.
Yeah!
Professional.
Professional. I'll get it first try.
Oh gosh.
Perfect.
I'm just like hiding behind there because I don't know what he's gonna do next.
Yeah! In the bucket.
But that one.
Yeah. Okay, now I'm the cameraman.
Okay, here. Cameraman.
Look at that bouncy ball.
I'm gonna use this stick.
Oh, Brit.
So you can like actually film me and the stick. And
Focus, focus. Focus, focus.
Oh, I was actually pretty close to going in. It's just going a bit higher. That's not. Oh gosh. Here we go. Here it is. There's like a hole there. Can you see the ball?
Do you see it?
Oh, here it is.
Oh, we found it. I just walked into a chair. Oh, that was actually close.
So close to like bouncing back and then.
Remember, it bounced off of that gray thing right there, but it went into the bucket and bounced out. Perfect. I'm gonna kick it. No!
Come back to you. He's coming back to you.
He's coming back to me. No!
And he's coming. Why do I always do that high? Oh, thank you.
I know, this is like, we always do it so high.
And why is he kicking the roof? Come on. And then you hit the roof and you
I kicked it.
Wait, how long is it right now?
8 minutes.
8? We have a few more minutes. Oh, 2 more minutes. Not even probably.
Okay.
How do we get it in? Oh no!
It's hard to get footage.
Huh?
It's hard to like get footage of the ball.
Oh, come on! That was like right inside it. It's like probably the easiest trick shots ever, but like,
That was so cool.
it's like literally, like it's like almost there all the time. That was no mistake. Hey, just wanted to sit down, guys. Look at show. Just
Yeah,
wanted,
it's
just wanted to sit down.
Just a little rest, you know? You know what we're gonna do? A spinorama.
Listen, I'm gonna show me. I'm gonna hit this ball on midair. Oh,
Good job.
let's try that again.
I did that.
I hit out in midair.
Where the heck did that go? Oh crap! There's a creepy little thing. Dad has it. I do not know what it is.
Where's the ball?
Ryan's struggling. There, if you can see him.
Where's the ball?
Right in our little cave.
Ball died. I just hit my finger on like the edge of this.
Yeah, this.
Ow. Ow. This one right here, right there. I'm
like squished.
Oh, I'm squished.
Oh yeah, shout out to Ryan Johnson.
Yeah, we changed our channel. Yeah, by the name. And yeah.
No, we didn't change it.
We didn't change it. It's
Or
just.
it's his channel.
I know.
By the way, this is gonna be like more of my channel because I always have the camera.
No, it's
So
gonna be
I'm
both
gonna
of ours,
make videos
except
by
he's gonna
myself.
make videos by himself because, like, you know,
So
it
it's
takes
more
a lot.
like
Like, we
mine.
barely ever get to play with each other, right? So, I mean, yeah. What are you doing with your life?
I don't know. Wait, did it go in here?
Yeah, it went like somewhere in there. It didn't go in there. It just went like behind there.
Well, imagine it went in there.
It's like behind these boxes.
Guys, we're gonna make a little fort in Ryan's garage. Oh, here's the ball. There it is. Found it. So I'm a savage. You're an average.
Right.
Perfect. I'm so close. Why are my shots getting worse and worse? By the way, I'm doing my shots like very weirdly because this is like backhand for me. I have to do backhands.
Yeah.
Not doing a backhand. This is me. It sucks because it's not my hand.
We're behind here on our fort. Wait, this should be like our little area. I can, like, just bring the box here and then we can, like.
We just need to put the box right there.
Yeah, come on. Let's move the box.
Okay, I'll put
Wait, it's 11 minutes.
Fine.
Do you want to make another video of just making us forts and stuff?
Okay.
Alright, guys.
Peace.
Wait. We need to do this, okay? You ready?
Subscribe to Stay Savage.
Like to be lit. See you in the
peace
next video. Peace out. See ya.